So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Apple Watch Series 11. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have the Apple Watch Series 11, and if you want to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode, you can either do it so it's shared between your Apple Watch and the iPhone. So if on Apple Watch you have something set, then your iPhone also has the same thing set. And what I mean by that is on your iPhone you can slide down from the right top part of the screen, find this focus button that when you click on, you have all the different modes. You can enable Do Not Disturb, and now you can see it's also on the Apple Watch because it displays this little moon at the top. Now to switch to Do Not Disturb on your Apple Watch, click on the side button right here below the crown, and you'll also see the modes, so you can click on it to enable it, and you can select different available modes, and you can set it to on for 1 hour until this evening or until you leave some place. So I'll just turn it on for 1 hour. Now you can see on my iPhone it also automatically turns on, but if you don't want to share it between all your devices, then you can of course also do it. You can go to your Apple Watch, right, and then I believe, I'm not entirely sure, let's go to iPhone settings first, and here maybe if we go to the focus, then we'll have share across devices, and now when it's disabled, then when I go to the Apple Watch, when I disable the focus mode, it also gets disabled on the iPhone, but when I enable it on iPhone, it also does on the Apple Watch. Okay, so there must be something that I need to change in the Apple Watch settings in the Apple Watch app. Yeah, okay, so we just need to go to General and go to Focus and then disable Mirror My iPhone. So now when I have Do Not Disturb here, I can disable Do Not Disturb on the Apple Watch, and it still says on the iPhone. And this is an option that I personally use. I just have Do Not Disturb always enabled on my iPhone, and on my Apple Watch it's always disabled most of the time, so I can actually receive notifications, but my iPhone does not receive them. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.